Hey ladies, today we're talking cycle syncing. If you're not familiar with the phrase, cycle syncing is basically synchronizing or matching your lifestyle with your cycle. You may have heard of cycling as well. Basically, the idea around this is for those people who don't have the exact same amount of energy every single day, you can use cycle syncing to help you to be more productive in a sense and also to feel better. You might be wondering, how exactly do you do this?
The menstrual cycle is pretty complex and it affects not only our physical well being, but our emotional well being too. When we synchronize our nutrition and exercise routines with the different phases of our cycle, we can enhance our overall health by following our body's natural rhythm. Let's dive into why we feel the way we feel in each phase and how adjusting exercise and nutrition can positively impact our well being. The menstrual phase marks the beginning of a new cycle. It typically lasts 3 to 7 days. During this time, our hormonal level, specifically estrogen and progesterone, are at their lowest. This hormonal dip can lead to feelings of fatigue, irritability, and a tendency to feel more withdrawn. Because of the hormonal decline, some people tend to experience physical discomfort like cramping, bloating, or fatigue, as well as emotional sensitivity. This is the time when energy levels are at their lowest and our bodies are shedding the uterine lining. Our bodies require rest and recovery. It is important for us to replenish the nutrients lost during menstruation. Iron levels tend to drop during menstruation, so it is important to eat iron-rich foods, such as spinach, to help restore iron levels. Magnesium-rich foods can reduce cramping and help relax muscles. Eating foods high in vitamin B6 can also support mood stability. During the menstrual phase, high-intensity exercise can feel so draining, so it's best to keep things gentle. Low-impact exercises like walking, stretching, and yoga can be ideal as they promote blood flow without overexerting the body. This lighter approach helps us to conserve energy while still staying active. By listening to our bodies during this phase and prioritizing rest, we can allow ourselves to recover and restore energy, which sets the stage for higher productivity and emotional balance in the following phases. I recently typed up my old cyclesyncing cheat sheet that I made for myself. This includes foods to eat and exercises to do. I used it for grocery shopping and exercising while at uni. So feel free to get it for free if you'd like to. The link is in the description. After menstruation, the body enters the follicular phase. This is where estrogen levels start to rise and progesterone is still low. The surge in estrogen stimulates the growth of ovarian follicles. As estrogen rises, it contributes to a feeling of heightened energy, motivation, and mental clarity. During this phase, you might notice that you feel more outgoing, social, and confident. Your physical strength and stamina may also increase as the body is better prepared for more strenuous activities and exercise. It is really important to fill our bodies with the right nutrients to support rising energy levels. Protein-rich foods like eggs are crucial for muscle repair and growth, which supports physical activity. Complex carbs, such as whole grains, provide steady energy for workouts and daily tasks. Additionally, antioxidants like dark chocolate helps us to combat oxidative stress and promotes healthy skin during this phase. This is a great time to engage in high-intensity workouts such as strength training, HIIT, or intense cardio. Our bodies can handle more intense physical activity, and these workouts can improve overall fitness, endurance, and mood. This phase is also perfect for trying out new activities or pushing ourselves a little bit harder. Exercising in this phase helps to build strength and stamina, and eating the right foods fuel our bodies for success. Estrogen also helps with memory and focus, which enhances cognitive performance and supports emotional well-being. During the ovulation phase, estrogen levels are at their highest. Luteinizing hormone increases as well. This is often the phase when we feel the most vibrant, outgoing, and confident. Testosterone levels also rise, boosting our strength and drive. As energy levels peak, it is important to nourish the body with foods that support hormone production and immune function. Zinc and vitamin C rich foods such as citrus fruits help to strengthen immunity. Healthy fats like avocado contribute to hormone production, and protein continues to be essential for muscle repair and growth, especially if you're exercising. This is the best time for high intensity workouts as our bodies can handle the increased intensity. Strength training, running, cycling, or any challenging cardio session might feel easier during this phase, and you can push yourself a little bit harder to achieve your personal best. But please be careful, I do not want anybody getting injured. Exercise at this time promotes muscle strength and improves cardio health and boosts overall energy levels. During this phase, you can tackle more demanding physical tasks and work-related projects. As ovulation ends, the body enters the luteal phase, where it shifts into a more restful state. Progesterone levels rise while estrogen levels begin to decrease, and this hormonal shift often leads to premenstrual symptoms like bloating or irritability or fatigue. Physically, you might feel a little bit more sluggish, and your strength may decline, making intense exercise feel like a bit of a challenge. During the luteal phase, focus on stabilizing blood sugar to avoid cravings and energy crashes. Complex carbs such as sweet potatoes provide slow releasing energy. Protein and healthy fats are still important, but incorporating vitamin B6 rich foods such as chickpeas or bananas can help alleviate mood swings and fatigue. Magnesium from nuts, seeds, or leafy greens can also help to manage bloating and support relaxation. Since the energy levels begin to dip in the luteal phase, it is best to engage in moderate exercises such as Pilates or moderate cardio or lighter strength training, because overdoing workouts, especially during this phase, can lead to burnout or even injury. The key is to find balance between maintaining activity and listening to our body's need for rest.
If you want to get my free guide to cycle syncing, remember to click the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video. Give it a thumbs down if you don't. Bye.